Take one, we're rolling. This is an application called VRLife Nature Flow. So you need to be connected to the internet. So this is a 15-minute, 20-minute trial. So where are we going to go? Let's go there. And let's stream. I don't have time to download it. That's going to take forever. And I instantly regret it because it's low quality, it's buffering. It's not bad actually for streaming. So that's a 360 video of somewhere in Germany. It's struggling to buffer. So I'm assuming, yeah, if you download the video, but the video are going to be 5 gig. And then you've got 3 or 4 of them, and that's 20 gig. Just, it's funny, where's the triangle? Anyway, it's just, it's a travel app. And, yeah. 7 minutes. The train is going to go slowly. What else do we have? Yeah, this is pretty cool. Looks like we've got only German countryside. Which is pretty cool. Oh wow. I don't think you can move around. There's no teleportation or this Y is a menu button. That's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed it. See ya.